Sometimes we think we need a plan for everything. Every step, every decision, every destination. But today, I chose something different. No detailed plan, no expectations, just breathing and walking. And somewhere along the way, I realized something. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to trust the moment. Let go of control. Stop overthinking. Because life isn't always about knowing where you're going. Sometimes it's about allowing yourself to feel, to explore, to see what happens next. And maybe the best moments come when you stop planning